Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will share a most interesting opportunity, guys. So Hackerrank is offering software development internship for college students, guys. You might be final year student, free fine student. It's going to be helpful for you. So without much delay, let's get to the video, guys. Without talking more about internship, let me share what is Hackerrank, guys. So Hackerrank is a tech-based company where they used to focus on the competitive programs like let's say a person want to prepare some kind of placements internship. So instead of running behind some kind of Google assignment, Google documents, he can go Hackerrank and solve all kind of problems. You get like much more experience for him, guys. So basically, Hackerrank is like it's kind of problem solving website where you just need to solve some kind of problems. You'll get some kind of credential scores over there. So after score, you'll get a certificate, guys. So recently, even Hackerrank got certificate opportunity. So once you get completed with sub 10 courses, you will get a certificate, guys. So this is about the Hackerrank about detail, guys. Now let me share what is internship about. So Hackerrank is looking for the students who have good knowledge in software development, guys. So they clearly mentioned that they're looking for some kind of community-based students who have a good communication, good kind of knowledge in software development. Probably you'll be working on some kind of application website, guys. So as a software developer, you should have a basic knowledge of coding like C, C++, Java. So if you have this kind of stuff in your career, you can go for it, guys. So this is a basic requirement of the coding. One more thing they mentioned here, guys. So the participant you're working you want to apply for internships, you might be not to high level program, you just need a basic program, guys. So if you know basic kind of stuff is more than enough for the apply for internship, guys. These are two things they mentioned here. Now let me share they mentioned about the 6 points here, guys. So they just said about the 6.2 is going to be helpful for you once you get selected for the internship. You're going to work under this kind of topics, guys. The first thing they mentioned, each of one will pad it mentor, guys. So let's say if you got selected for internship, so you will assign to someone, a mentor who have been senior to Hackerrank department. You will be getting guidance and getting support from the backend team, guys. So it's going to helpful, guys. So working under some kind of professional senior stuff person, you'll get much more knowledge, guys. So the first thing they mentioned here. The second thing, guys, you will be pushed to code new kinds of applications and meaningful prospect application, guys. So I feel expect tier 3 college student, they won't be able to code on their own basis. I feel if you get selected for internship, the Hackerrank is going to push yourself to do some kind of application development coding. So it's going to help you for you. So if a tier 3 student is watching this video, kindly apply this internship, guys. Don't miss out opportunity. The second point I mentioned here. The third thing, guys, so you will be improving communication skill. They mentioned that the person who got selected for internship, he can able to work with communication department team where you can able to build your career in communications, English skill. When applying for some kind of interns in abroad, if you want to study higher studies in US and Canada, some Australia, so basically abroad countries, you get a good amount of knowledge in communications, guys. So this is the third thing mentioned here. The fourth thing, guys, you will be having access to interact with all kind of employees working for the company, guys. So basically they mean that you'll get connection with the various number of people who are working for the company, guys. Let's say if you're working on a tech development company, you can able to connect with the people who are working in marketing department. Let's say if you're working in a marketing department, you can able to connect with the social management department. So you don't have any limits over there, guys. You can able to connect with the people who are working in that company. So I feel it's the best opportunity, guys, to build connections. So I keep on saying from last 10 videos, guys, connections matters a lot, guys. So trust me, if you get selected for internship, you will get good amount of connection which you can able to use in future purpose, guys. The fourth thing they mentioned here. Fifth thing, guys, so let's say if a person a final year student, so let's say you're currently doing a 7th semester in a college life, once you completed his internship, so the internship around 3 months internship, in the 3 months span of 3 months, if you get if the organization gets satisfied with your work, they can able to give you full-time opportunity, guys. Remember one thing, getting a job in Hackerrank is not an easy job, because Hackerrank is meant for a competitive programming kind of website. So getting a job in the Hackerrank is not a joke, guys. So I feel if a person from tier 3 college student has a good kind of coding skill, but you don't know how to get jobs in some kind of product-based companies like the Hackerrank, Zoho-based companies, they're the best opportunity, guys. Just apply to it. In case if you get selected, do your work like a hell for 3 months, guys. Just do your best for 3 months. Work it's a own company. So when you have a mindset of working as for your own company, you will be working more productive, guys. So if you have this kind of attitude towards work, definitely, guys, trust me, you will land up in some good opportunity places. The fifth thing they mentioned here. final team, guys, you'll be like working on some kind of project based work, guys. So basically in internship, like you won't be getting project type of places like project jobs over there, but Hackerrank is offering like once you get selected for internship, you'll be able to work with a team for particular domain project, guys. So I feel the best opportunity, guys. As soon as enter in the company, they're going to assign you some kind of project, you need to complete that deadline, guys. So there are 6 steps they mentioned here for the persons who got selected for the future process, guys. Now, like how to apply for internship, guys. The first thing is that you just need to clear 3 rounds, guys. The first thing, you just need to solve 3 problems. So even for problems on, they have given link here. So even I'll go into link in description, use that link, guys. So I don't think so the problems are like too hard, it's just easier, I guess, guys. So they mentioned diagonal difference and a staircase and time conversion, guys. So it's a easy task, guys. Even like a beginner can solve these problems. Even I took around like 30 minutes to solve the problem. It's not like a huge task, just it takes around 30 minutes, guys. Just give it a try. This is the first thing requirement for the job internship, guys. The second thing, guys, you just create a resume. So resume is like not the designing one, not the like unnecessary stuff, guys. You should have a proper professional resume, guys. So if you want to have some kind of tips in resumes, do comment in down below. I'll try to make one more video on that, because I'm not going to speak here, so I'm not getting comments in comment section, guys. So then I'm not able to know what kind of videos you're looking for. So if you clearly want to make how to like build resume, if you want any tips and tricks for building resume, comment in down below. I'll make the video happen, guys. Otherwise, I'm not going to make that video. So the second thing mentioned, you just need to create a resume, professional resume. This is the second thing mentioned here. The final thing, you just need to upload a resume in Hackerrank website. So once you create a resume, you just need to upload with problem solving statements, solve problem. You just need to upload this in Hackerrank team website, guys. And providing one kind of website, you just need to upload over, guys. So these are the 3 steps they mentioned for the internships. So you might be asking whether it's offline or online internships. It's an offline internship, guys. You will be working at a Bangalore. So like Hackerrank main head office in India is Bangalore, guys. So I just had like seen 3 videos, and even one of my seniors working as in Hackerrank. So the campus looks amazing, guys. So we cannot say like huge campus, small campus, is an average campus. I feel like as a beginner, as a the person who just graduated from college, you want looking for some good opportunity, is the best place, guys. Hackerrank has a good amount of opportunities. Even you can work for abroad, guys. In case if you get selected in kind of some kind of events in Hackerrank, you can go and work in abroad, guys. So this is much I want to share with you, guys. I hope this video helps you. Don't worry, I'll be leaving linking in the description. You just can apply for internship, guys. That's it from today's video, guys. We'll meet you soon.